What's up, it's Em and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm with my Onni.
Annyeong!
So we're gonna make soju cocktails today. So we're gonna make a total of 5 soju cocktails. So let's get started. Okay, so for our first soju cocktail, it is called melona-ju. So the ingredients are 1 or 2 shots of soju apple, 1 melona popsicle, and 1 can of SPRITE.
And me!
And
oh.
Hi! So this is
I'm
my
late.
other sister.
Sorry, I'm late.
So this is my other sister, Faye.
Just came from a party. Virtual party.
Virtual party. So, okay, so we need a glass. This one. And then, so since we don't have a shot glass, we'll just use the tea glass.
Healthy. Hi!
Oh, guys!
So, let's open the
Let's
soju.
open.
How to open, girl? This is the Kim Taeyong way. Oh.
And let's go.
Two
shots.
2 shots. So let's put it here. 2 shots. And then melona.
Oh, let's put water. Come on, let's put.
It smells good.
Apple flavor.
What happened here? Look at the melon. And SPRITE. Oh. SPRITE.
I think you just need to fill this. Can I taste? Fill it up now. Mix. Let's put this aside first.
Okay, so for our second soju cocktail, it's called SOJU CIDER. So we need 2 shots again of soju, 250 ml of sparkling cider, and apple slices. So this is peach chilsung cider. So we need, I think, how many slices?
Just for decoration.
I think this is enough. So I'll be using apple soju again. So let's put it here. 2 shots. 2 shots.
2 shots.
Oh, let's transfer it here. It doesn't fit. And then apple cider. Apple cider. Chilsung cider. Peach. I think 2 all. And apple.
And done.
Apple. Real apple. Too many. Is it too many? Let's see.
You slice it first.
Wow. There you go. So that's it. We're gonna put ice later. So for our third soju cocktail, it's soju mango. So we need 1 shot of soju and 250 ml of, or 1 can of mango juice.
1 can?
So it's 250 ml. So we're gonna put again in a glass like this.
So we're going to use the apple flavored 2 shots.
1 hana, 2
Set.
and 1 can of mango juice.
This is from locally. So let's open the can. Is this shake well?
I don't know. Just
Shake
it.
well before. Shake well, guys. Then we're gonna finish this.
Whee! Okay.
Okay, let's set this aside again.
Again and again and again. Okay, so for the rest of the ingredients, we have different fruits, the pomelo and the guyabano. So we're going to be doing the same as what we did in the mango. So we need 2 shots again each, and then 1 can or 240 or 250 ml of the fruit juice.
I'll be calling your next partner.
Yeah, my next partner.
Carol!
Okay, so for our we already made 3 soju cocktails. So with me today again is for the 2 cocktails, my on me. So first is the pomelo. Pomelo. So we need, we only need, I think, 1 shot of these. Okay, 1 shot.
Okay. I'm going. Is it full?
Soju, yeah, 1 shot. Here's the glass.
Okay. So 1 shot.
Okay.
So this is 1 shot of soju. There you go. Since it's already
Empty.
empty, so let's pour it.
Okay, and then pomelo. 250 ml of pomelo. Oops.
Wow. It smells pomelo.
I think that's it.
And then we're
And then-
gonna mix it
Okay, and put some ice.
and put some
And then
ice.
distribute it in each this glass.
Okay.
So on to our last soju cocktail. We're gonna be using Yakult because it's already empty. So let's open this. How do I like this?
Wow.
One more. 1, 2, 3, and yeah.
There you go.
Okay, so we need 2 shots. Or 1 shot. 2 shots. One.
And 2. So
Let's just fill it with the rest of the guyabano juice.
so we're gonna
Just fill it out.
fill it out.
Hope this
smells-
is yummy.
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay, so let's just put it here to make it a little, presentable.
Yeah.
Okay, like this.
Wow.